lessor's registered name. Example, ABC Apartments. Halimbawa kasi, kailangan namin mag-submit ng invoice, no?
Your Honor,
Submit kami
please.
ng invoice. Wait lang ho, Your Honor. May...
Saying
Your
something.
Honor, this line of questioning already is number 1, argumentative. Number 2, hypothetical, Your Honor.
Now, let's answer the question, no? So,
Ask and answer,
hindi
Your
ho
Honor.
pwedeng hindi tanggalan yung address ng supplier ng pagkain. Kasi
Ask and answered, Your Honor.
Ask and answer.
not yet, Your Honor. Sino ho ba dapat ang may alam kung confidential dapat ang information? Si COA ho ba o si agency? Who is in a better position to know whether confidential an information is confidential?
Pwede pong pakiulit yung tanong?
Okay.
Question is vague, Your Honor.
Sige. Tinanggal namin yung address. Tinanggal namin yung ibang details doon. Sinabit namin sa COA. No? Acceptable pa rin ho ba sa COA yon?
Hindi naman po confidential yung mismong
Sa
supplier.
inyo ho, pero po kung sa...
Ask and answered, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. So, balik ko tayo dun sa requirement ng invoice at OR. No? Assuming nga, yun, rent of safe house ho yun. No? So, base dun sa mga items or sa mga information na sinabi niyo ho kanina, ano ho ba yung pwedeng tanggalin natin doon sa invoice?
Yung,
Hindi, tatanungin ho kita. Isa-isahin ko to, no? Ano yung pwedeng tatanggalin ho natin doon sa invoice? Okay. Lessor's registered name. Example, ABC Apartments. Halimbawa kasi, kailangan namin mag-submit ng invoice, no?
Your Honor,
Submit kami
please.
ng invoice. Wait lang ho, Your Honor.
Kindly
hindi pa
finish
ako-
your question, Counsel.
O, mag-submit ho kami ng invoice. Sabi niyo ho, you recognize that there are information that are sensitive. Tama ho ba? So, pag nag-submit ho kami ng invoice involving as rental of a safe house, ano ho ba yung pwede naming tanggalin? Okay. Lessor's registered name, ABC Apartments, kunyari, pwedeng tanggalin?
pwede po bang may
Now,
ika-clarify lang
before you
po
answer,
ako?
Attorney Silene, before you answer, yes, Attorney Kapunan, you were saying
Your
something?
Honor, this line of questioning already is number 1, argumentative. Number 2, hypothetical, Your Honor.
No,
Because
it's based
this
on the
witness
it's based
has
on the ND.
testified.
And I think some members of the court would also like to find out what is acceptable and what is not, given the confidential nature of this. I think even one of the senator judges will be pursuing this point later, so it might abbreviate the proceedings if you are able to answer now. Ano yung
submit, Your
katanggap-tanggap na laman ng invoice, Silene? Kung dapat itago na confidential ang ibang mga impormasyon.
Pwede po bang i-explain ko lang po muna yung nasa ND?
Opo, sige po.
Kasi po ang hinihingan lang po namin ng official receipt and invoice, yung lang pong expense pertaining to purchase of supplies and provision of medical and food aid. Hindi po nabanggit yung sa rental ng safe houses.
So sa rental, hindi kailangan.
Hindi po. Ang hiningan lang po namin ng official receipts at ng sales invoice is yung purchase of supplies and provision of medical and food aid.
Na ginamit sa pagbigay ng reward.
At hindi doon po sa third quarter, hindi na siya reward. Naka-reflect na siya as supplies.
Supply na.
Opo, kaya doon po. Pero yung sa rental of safe house, in-accept naman yung acknowledgement receipt.
So sa pananaw mo, hindi kailangan maging confidential yung binilan ng supplies.
Kasi po ang confidential, di ba po pag bumibili tayo ng supplies, ng food, ng medicine, standard procedure po yung merong resibo na matatanggap from the establishment kung saan po natin binili itong mga supplies, food, and
At sa pananaw mo
medicine.
nga, hindi dapat confidential yung binilhan.
Yung pinagbilhan po kasi yung sa paggagamitan yung confidential expenses.
Okay, you may proceed, counsel.
okay. So, sige, ibahin na lang po natin, no? Gawin nating supplies, no? Halimbawa, pagkain. Supplier ng pagkain, no?
Opo.
Okay. Ano yung pwedeng tanggalin doon? Let's say, the supplier's name. Let's say, ABC Catering. Pwedeng tanggalin?
Opo.
Okay, tanggalin natin, no? Yung location ho, yung business address po ni ABC Catering. Let's say, ground floor, Multinational Bank Corporation Center, 6805, Ayala Avenue, Makati City. Pwedeng tanggalin?
Hindi naman po confidential yung mismong establishment na nagkwan nun eh. Yung, ang kinakundit po dito, pinanggamitan. And doon po sa resibo na yon, hindi naman po siya confidential information.
No, just answer the question, no? So,
Ask and answer,
hindi
Your
ho
Honor.
pwedeng hindi tanggalan yung address ng supplier ng pagkain.
Kasi
Ask
po,
and answered, Your Honor.
Asked and answered.
Not yet, Your Honor. Not
Counsel
yet.
asked and answered because
It's
she
ask and
said,
answered.
So, ang
she
answer
said
niyo ho
that,
doon ay hindi.
counsels please. She said that when it pertains to the purchase of supplies, food, medicines, chairs, if at all computers, the name of the entity where they purchased it is not confidential. Pero kung saan ginamit yon, kung sinong pinagbigyan, sinong pinakain, saan pinakain, yun yung confidential. Tama ba, Celine?
opo, tama po.
So, yung invoice o resibo ng pagkain, medical supplies, kailangan may resibo. Yan ang interpretasyon mo ng joint circular.
Opo, para ma-ascertain namin na talagang ginamit yon for purchases of supplies, food, and medicines po.
So, sa bagay na ito, ulitin ko, sa pananaw mo, sa interpretasyon mo, sa ginamit mong pag-audit, kapag ka supplies, hindi ka tatanggap ng other adequate document, resibo talaga hanapin mo.
Opo, para mapatunayan na pinambili po talaga to ng supplies.
And this is the same standard you're applying to other government agencies, not only the OVP and the DepEd.
Opo.
You may proceed, Counsel.
Okay. So, sinabi, pagkain ho yung example natin, no? So, sino ho ba dapat ang may alam kung confidential dapat ang information? Si COA ho ba o si agency? Who is in a better position to know whether a confidential, an information is confidential?
Pwede pong pakiulit yung tanong?
Okay.
Question is vague, Your Honor.
Sige, okay. Example, pagkain. No, pagkain. Okay. Kung kami ho agency, sa tingin namin, dapat confidential yung supplier namin kasi baka lasunin. Baka may matunton, no? Matuntunton yung supplier namin. Tapos tinanggal namin yung address. Tinanggal namin yung ibang details doon. Sinabit namin sa COA. No? Acceptable pa rin ho ba sa COA yon?
Hindi naman po confidential yung mismong
Sa
supplier.
inyo ho, pero kung sa...
Ask and answered, Your Honor.
Okay.
Hindi naman confidential yun.
Asked and answered. Don't argue with the witness, Counsel.
Okay, yes, Your Honor. So sa tingin nyo, hindi confidential yon, pero maaaring sa agency, confidential ho yun. para sa kanila.
Argumentative, Your Honor. Ask and answered. It is not confidential.
Move on to the next point,
Your
Counsel.
Honor, I'm asking for possibility, Your Honor.
There is already ruling from the presiding officer.
Move to the next point, Counsel.
Okay, so in short, kayo ho yung nagde-decide ngayon kung ano ho yung confidential na information at hindi. Kasi sinabi nyo ho, sa tingin nyo, hindi naman siya confidential.
Misleading, Your Honor.
Hindi ho.
Witness may answer.
Yes.
Kasi nga po yung pinaggamitan, hindi naman po yung nag-provide.
Okay, so okay lang na ma-expose yung supplier sa instance na yon, no? Okay lang na malagay yung
Your Honor,
address ng
please.
ABC.
Again, this is
Ah,
already argumentative.
Asked
This-
and answered, Counsel,
asked
and
and answered.
argumentative.
Yes, we
There
take
is nothing confidential about where you buy
Asked and answered,
supplies.
Counsel.
Your Honor, please,
whether
this
you
line of
agree or not,
questioning-
whether you agree with that with the answer of Celine, that was the answer she gave.
Continuing objection, Your Honor. If it will apply again to medicines, if it will apply again to supplies,
We will
chairs
not
and
be-
tables, we will have a continuing objection
not yet
to
there,
this
Counsel.
line
We're not-
of questioning, Your Honor.
We're not yet there, Counsel.
Okay. So you are
Attorney Christine,
saying...
you may proceed.
Yes po. Your Honor, thank you po. So you are saying the COA is in a better position to judge whether an information is confidential or not. Wala akong karapatan sa agency.
Argumentative,
Nick,
Your Honor.
with
Excuse me,
regard to the food, Your Honor, we are on the example of the supplier of food. Okay, sa instance ho na yan, sa tingin nyo, hindi ho siya confidential, di ba ho? So kayo ho yung mas nakakaalam na ito, you are in a better judgment sa bagay ho na yan.
Kasi po dun sa food po, yung tao mismo na bumili, yun yung confidential. Ganun po. Hindi po
Hindi ho
yung...
yan yung tanong ko eh.
The
Okay, yung
question is
tanong,
vague, Your Honor.
yung tanong,
Please.
Celine.
The question is vague.
Celine, ang tanong sa iyo ay may karapatan ba yung ahensya magsabi na ito confidential? Kayo lang ba ang may karapatan? Kasi I can actually answer. Tell me if you agree. You review the submissions of the agencies, correct?
Opo.
Pag may observation kayo, mag-AUM kayo, and they can say, hindi, confidential to. And then you can agree or disagree, correct?
Based on the evaluation po ng magiging response nila.
And given the difference in the notice of suspension and notice of disallowance, as pointed out by counsel earlier, na may mga tinanggal na kayo, may mga binawas kayo, di ba?
Opo.
Kasi napaliwanag nila.
Opo.
So, minsan sinasabi nila sa unang tingin mo, hindi confidential to, biglang nagpaliwanag sila, confidential yon, binawas nyo o binabawas nyo.
Opo, based po sa evaluation ng response nila. Kung na-answer na po nila yung issues raised dun sa AOM or sa
Na-answer or napaliwanag nila o nakumbinsi kayo na confidential ito. Therefore, hindi kailangan ng resibo o invoice.
Opo.
Tama? But
Opo.
your determination is anyway appealable, if at all, to the Supreme Court, the Commission of the Supreme Court.
Pag yung sa COA po, opo, pag may decision, may remedy pa po na umakyat sa Supreme Court.
Yes. Okay, counsel, move on.
So in short, no, sasagot mo na yan, ibig sabihin, kayo talaga yung nagde-determine na ito, hindi dapat to confidential. Kasi nga, kagaya nung supplies, medicine, and food. Yun po yung naging basis ninyo ng ND ninyo, di ba po?
Your Honor, please, I think this was the question itself of the presiding officer.
Already
Ask and
answered, counsel.
Yeah, the
Already
answer is, we want to put it on record, Your Honor. The answer. Ano
Ask
yung...
and answer, Your
Already
Honor.
answered. She agrees, counsel.
She agrees.
She
So,
already agrees.
okay. So, they will... Okay, I'll move on, Your Honor.
Can we move on, Your Honor?
Now, Ms. Celine, who determines the safeguard to be implemented in order to secure the success of an agency's confidential operations? Part ba ho yun ng audit ninyo? Na kung ano yung mga hindi dapat dinadivulge or dinadivulge ng agency? Part ho ba ng ICFA audit yun? With regard to their confidential operations?
Your Honor, again, this is ask and answer.
No, Your Honor.
By
I
rephrasing
object,
the
Your Honor.
question, Your Honor, by rephrasing
This is
the
a
question.
different question.
Kindly
Counsel, can I-
wait for counsel for the prosecutors. Yes, Attorney Kapunin.
Your Honor, these are the same questions rephrased differently, Your Honor. Ask and answer.
It is not, Your Honor. Kasi nga kanina,
What is
The
your-
presiding
who
officer,
determines whether...
the court will allow it. Attorney Celine, please answer.
Pwede pong pakiulit.
Okay, ulitin ko po Who determines? Sino ba yung nagde-determine kung ano dapat yung mga safeguards, no? Mga panuntunan na i-implement po dapat ng agency para ma-secure po yung success ng confidential operations. In short, sino ho dapat yung nagde-determine na itong information na to confidential, ito hindi?
Yung guidelines.
Yun po is dapat po sa agency, meron
Sa
silang sound and effective internal
Okay,
control.
so salamat po. No, so sa agency na 'yon, no? Si agency dapat. And si COA ICFAO merely audits liquidation documents relative to the confidential funds. Tama po ba?
We base po sa liquidation documents submitted at base po sa joint circular yung pag-evaluate namin per liquidation documents submitted.
Yes, okay. Thank you for that, no? So si COA ICFAO in that sense, you do not determine which information is confidential or not, correct? Kasi nag-base lang naman ho kayo sa liquidation documents.
We base on our audit po sa liquidation documents submitted to us. We rely po doon
Okay,
sa pag-conduct ng audit.
Salamat po. Now, si COA ICFAO po ba ay privy sa confidential operations ng agency? Kasali ho ba kayo dun sa mga confidential operations po ng OVP, for example?
We base lang po our audit dun sa liquidation documents submitted
So,
to
in
us.
short, just answer the question. Kasali ho ba kayo sa confidential operations
Answered,
ng
Your
OVP?
Honor. They base it
Wala
on
hong
the-
answer ho, Your
She
Honor.
did not answer, counsel.
She did not answer. Yes or
Celine,
no?
on the documents.
Celine, just answer it. Hindi kayo kasama, di ba?
Hindi po. Base lang
Okay.
po kami sa documents.
So,
Okay.
just say that hindi kayo kasama.
Salamat po, Your Honor. It's 12:16, Your Honor. Do you want okay lang po ako. I can
Thank you for
continue.
pointing that out, counsel.
Okay,
Because
kasi po, next
my
point lang
colleagues
po
have
ito,
been
no? No, next point.
Your Honor,
asking-
may we know if the cross-examination will take another 2 hours, 3 hours? Your
More
Honor?
likely, Your Honor, this is...
Let's see. But we cannot compel, neither can we force or pressure counsel to limit her cross-examination. She has enough leeway to test the credibility of the witness. We shall take a lunch break and shall resume at 1 p.m. with the cross-examination of Silene. Thereafter, the interventions of the senator judges. The first to register is Senator Judge Padilla. Thereafter, Senator Judge Ontiveros. Kindly take note. Of the sequence. Trial is. We are on recess until 1 o'clock.